This how to 1 minute will show you how to change primary domain on GoDaddy. Log into your GoDaddy account and click on your name. Click on My Products. And once you're here, scroll down and click on Web Hosting. And click on Manage next to your hosting. So as you can see, this clippingpathline.com is my primary domain. To change this domain, select Account tab and click on Change next to your primary domain. And select the domain that you want to set as primary domain. You can click on Use a different domain to add a different domain here. So I'm selecting this one and clicking on Continue. And as you can see, I've successfully changed my primary domain on GoDaddy. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.